So the customer is saying that this equipment is not providing the heat. So I'm here and just turn on the equipment right now just to test it. I have not started working on the system as yet, and the heat is actually on. Furnace is on. I'm gonna take this cover off so we can see inside of it. As you can see, the burner is on. The heat is working. I'm not sure what is going on here that they say the heat is actually not working. So we're gonna let it run for a few, and we're gonna see if the unit shut down and see if we get an error code from the system. But for right now, the heat is on, and I don't see any issue, so to speak, why the unit is not working. So I'll take a look for a minute. It's been a minute now since the unit is running. So the equipment shut down due to a water issue for the drain. I gotta get me a light. So as you see, here's a drain. That's the setup for the drain right there. Come with a trap. Look like it come from the manufacturer like that. Something in the way. Alright. It seems like they have a lot of dirt in the drain. So I'm gonna blow this line out. So main water come through here. See, it's got a lot of water here. Come up. So we're gonna blow this line and see if that's what caused it, because I'm not getting any water out the drain line right now. So let's clean the line and go from there. Stuff in here. See what I'm talking about? Alright, we figured it out, so we're gonna do this now. Well, the tube seems to be removed from clean from the blockage. Let's see what's going on up in there. It looks good. No kink in the line. It looks good. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it back, and we're gonna repeat the call for heat. Okay, got a rug. Furnace still on, still maintaining.
nothing is fresh. Like, when I have, I think it's
why not fresh? Huh? Alright people, so we all done here. So the issue with this furnace is the condensation, the trap on the condensation was blocked, and therefore once the unit making the heat and the water started condensating because of 96%, the water couldn't go through the trap and go down, so it was backing up and there's a feedback, and then therefore cut the pressure switch off and shut the heat down. Alright. This job is all the way in Bridgeport, Connecticut, and I drive from New York, about an hour drive. I think it was like 40 something miles, and to do this repair for this customer. I tried to walk them into repairing it, but they couldn't do it, so therefore they really asked me to come out here to fix it for them. So we found the issue and now repair it, so now the system is working fine, heat on. So alright, peace and love.